Hello everybody, this is Tony Callis. I'm over at LN Engineering, and we were just having a discussion about rebuilding engines. And I have to tell you, the most important thing that I know when rebuilding an engine, any engine, doesn't matter if it's a Ferrari or a Yugo, is cleanliness. And so I was looking at the ultrasonic machine here, and I was looking at the solvent tank and even the wash basin and the hot tank. And then I said, man, there you go, that's it, because LN charges extra to use this very expensive machine. And Billy was like, no, man, that's the most important thing we do when we rebuild them, and not all customers choose to do it, right? They choose to opt not to.
That's correct. You know, in my opinion, I can put as much time as I need in through this washer and hand washing it, adding an oil eater in there and trying to just get in there with my elbows and hands, just make that difference. But when you add in this vapor blasting, that it's just that pressure and that grit gets through it so much faster than anyone's hands can get through it. It's just a very vital key in truly getting your engine block clean as possible and prepared for your engine build.
Wow. So if you take your engine to a shop, they may opt to not do this because they can make more money or not charge that and it not look as high. But let me tell you, this is one of the most important things you can do when rebuilding an engine. So make sure that you recommend, or you tell your mechanic that you request for it to be vapor blasted, that the engine get vapor blasted while it's apart. And here, this is boots on the ground. Billy's here at LN cleaning these engines when they come in. And then they go over and they get machined and cylinders taken out and new cylinders put in with Nickies. So I hope you guys get something from that. And Billy, we're very grateful.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Not a problem, Tony.
Okay.